Here are the 5 money mistakes you're probably making right now. Number 1, you don't have a budget. Look, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about awareness. You wouldn't drive cross-country without a map, right? Same with money. Start simple. Use free apps like Mint or YNAB. Track for 30 days. You'll be shocked where your money's going. Mistake number 2, carrying high-interest credit card debt. At 20% plus interest is a silent wealth killer. The fix: stop using the card. Cut it up if you have to. List your debts from smallest to largest. Throw every extra dollar at the first one until it's gone. Mistake number 3, thinking you need thousands to start investing. Spoiler, you don't. You can start with $5, open a brokerage account, set up automatic contributions. Time in the market beats timing the market. The earlier you start, the better. Mistake number 4, not having an emergency fund. An emergency fund isn't for vacation or that new phone. It's for real emergencies. The fix: aim for 1 month of expenses first, then build to 3, eventually shoot for 6. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account. Automate transfers right after payday. Mistake number 5, waiting to save for retirement. Later becomes never. The fix: if your job offers a 401k match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. It's free money, no excuses.